So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aqua Station. So in this video I am going to discuss about the top 5 beginners aquarium plant, and the first plant in the list is Java Moss. So Java Moss has become the most famous corporate plants in beginners aquarium setups. It is easy to propagate and its tiny green leaves can be used to decorate almost any surface. So after planting the moss, there is little more you need to do to care for it. For optimum growth, just keep the water temperature between 71 to 75 degree Fahrenheit, keeping the lighting low and maintain a pH between 6 to 8. It does grow first in this condition, so it gives it a nice trim once every 3 to 8 weeks to prevent overgrowth. You can also adjust the temperature to anywhere between 60 to 82 degree Fahrenheit and increase the lighting to slow the growth, and the Java moss will stay healthy. And the second plants for beginners is dwarf hair grass. So warmer temperature are ideal for dwarf hair grass, but it can live in water anywhere from 50 to 85 degree Fahrenheit. The lighting should be medium to high and the pH should be neutral. Like Java moss, dwarf hair grass can grow pretty fast and may need regular trimming. Other than that, just maintain clean water flow and you will be the set. And the third plant for beginners is African water ferns. So African water ferns are dark green with delight and sometimes transparent lead. To care for this fern, keep the water temperature between 68 to 80 degree Fahrenheit, maintain a pH of 6 to 7.5 and use strong lighting. They grow very slowly, so they will not need much trimming, but you will need to watch out for algae. Algae grow first in light conditions and may limit the fern's light. And the fourth plant for beginners is Anubias plant. So Anubias is an extremely popular plant. They are very hardy and forgiving to harsh change in the tank. They are brilliant in low light tanks that don't receive additional fertilizers. Anubias can do well in tanks of any size or shape. Lighting requirement. So another reason Anubias care is easy is because its lighting needs are simple. Planting method. So Anubias plant can grow in aquariums, gravel, aquarium substrate attached to rock, driftwood or decoration. And the fifth plant is Amazon swords. This classic aquarium plant is known for its ability to grow huge. Lighting and substrate are not as important as making sure it gets feed lots and lots of root types. The good news is Amazon plant care is not difficult. This is one of the reasons why this plant is good for beginners. So Amazon sword can do well in community water condition, and water temperature they require is 6.5 to 7.5, and some suggest that pH as low as 6.0 is acceptable. So these are all information regarding the best beginners plant. I hope this video will help you. More videos are coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel.